Bonjour! Today I'd like to introduce you another country, France. In Chinese, 法国, 法国, 法国. So again, you see these two characters. The second character, 国, appears again, same as in China, Korea, America, or England, Germany. So it means nation or country. And the first character, 法. So obviously we use the sound of this character, 法, to represent France. But 法 actually, it carries a meaning itself, which means method or principle. So let's see how these two characters are written. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please check out other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. See you.